beautiful people. Hi Leo. Hi. So I am in Coventry. I am visiting my uncle and aunt who are doctors in UK for how long?
25 years.
25 years. Wow. So and this is Niharika. Hi Niharika. She's a medical student. She's also visiting. और आज इशिता का birthday है. That's her daughter and she's turning 20 today. And we're going to make cake for her. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Tesco to get all the ingredients. She's gonna bake. I have no idea because my cooking skills are a big zero. So Niharika is gonna bake and I'm just going to go and enjoy the cake. So let's go get some stuff now. So we have come to Tesco to grab all the ingredients necessary for the cake. Hi! The baker and the baker.
This is too much pressure.
This is baker, this is baker.
Because see, मैं personally I don't eat hard. Okay, I don't.
You don't eat chocolate. तो बिना chocolate का भी ले लेगी.
नहीं मैं it's
It's for her now, so we'll get whatever she likes. Chocolate, hazelnut or like plain chocolate.
फिर ना we'll put पहले I was thinking
Vanilla
we'll
cake
put
बना के.
vanilla icing फिर chocolate pieces but because she likes chocolate we make it chocolate piece with white chocolate piece.
She'll be happy with that also. फिर हम भी खाएंगे.
Just got out of Tesco and this is the sky outside. Did you help with the cake, Leo? No, you just want to have it. Let's go put it in. That's what she said. Don't, what are you doing? You're gonna burn yourself.
नहीं ऐसे बस check कर हवा से पता चलता है. It's not hot enough.
Ah.
Please मेरा face मत लिखो.
Why are you so scared? It's gonna be good.
तो ये taking video also.
नहीं आप नहीं आ रहे हो सिंधु आ रही.
Okay, so we managed to bake the cake and we put it in the fridge overnight. But abhi niche ki side se it's still undercooked. So we're gonna keep it back again. केक नहीं है, खिचड़ी हो गया. ये इतना टाइम लग रहा है बनने में हम लोग को. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay. He got the cake out. And it's the final test now. अरे नहीं ऐसे नहीं, क्या कर रहे हो? पूरा इसको छोड़ दो ना. It's very hot. हो गया. Okay. Yay. So we have the base of the cake. Now we're going to decorate the cake. We'll start with icing. This is vanilla, no? Or is it white chocolate?
नहीं vanilla.
Done with the cake finally.